Hi YouTubers, I'm down the motorhome today. A few jobs. I've just done a short video on the TV adapter thing I've got. And what jobs I've got to do today? Well, just a couple of simple ones, and it involves taking some of the van home. And one of the things is we've got some more cloth patches to put on, so I'm going to try and move these up, but rather than try and do it here, I'm going to remove this board. It's only held on now with 2 screws. The other screws are down here, and what I'm going to do is shuffle them along. And we've got some new patches, the places we've gone, and I've got one to add Suffolk to put across here, and there's Skegness one, and also a Hornsey one to add to the collection. We don't have stickers on our van as such. We have these cloth patches we collect, and I'll prefer them because, you know, I can remove this wood and they'll come off in one go. If you've got stickers or magnets, you've got to have something magnetic to put them on, and there's only the heater, which is not a good idea having magnets on. So what we do, places we visit, we buy cloth patches from the tourist shops, and then we add them to the van, and you can see we've got quite a collection now, and there's some up there and some up there, so I'm going to try and get 3 onto here if I can. The board has been removed, and it's in the back of my car. There it is. So I'll take that home and I'll redo this. It's easier. And I didn't know whether I mentioned it, we've got one of these LED strip lights on the back which shines vertical, and what it does, it illuminates the roof with different colours inside, or the roof lining, and it's a 12 volt LED strip, and you can change the colour with a remote control. So got that off. Right, main job is undersealing this panel here, and the wheel arch where I've done some work, and if it needs more underseal on the foot step, which I've done, and because the weather's changing quite dramatically and I need to get it ready for the winter, and suddenly one day it was summer up to 25, 26 degrees, and another day it's 8. So that's the plan. I've got to get the underseal in here. I've put plenty of stuff in here, but it just really needs finishing off. Make sure there's no way water can get into the new panel, and the same with the step here I've done, just here, and the wheel arch here. Yeah, that definitely needs doing. I put some in, but I didn't give it enough goo. Yeah, want some more goo in there, and that'll be underseal. I won't show you actually undersealing because it's such a messy job, but that's what I'm doing. And I'm using wax oil, the spray stuff, for in cavities. Got a little connector on the end. This is body seal wax oil, and this is similar stuff you put with a brush. And I've got my overalls on now to do that task. So that's the undersealing done. I'm not doing all the van, I'm just doing the bits where I've been working, which is in there. You can see I've sprayed it where this new panel's been put in. Hopefully you can see it's all black, and here, which is a known area for water to get in, which is just behind the driver's wheel, and this wheel arch here, similar at the back there. I don't know if you can see it. I've got a bit of black on the white, but it don't matter so much, I don't mind that. It's an old van at the end of the day. Right, the next thing is to test the diesel heater, which I'll do in a minute. But first of all, I want to get out these overalls. It's a messy job, underseal is, especially doing it with a paintbrush. Another job is the diesel heater. Going to see if it actually works. And I've got a mains isolation switch, a 12 volt isolation switch, not mains, main isolation switch is down near the handbrake. Operate that. Oh, there's no power. Ah, what have we got? Batteries, alright. That's the... Ah, that was interesting. It was already on, so perhaps I switched it on. Ooh, what's going on? Oh, it's because I can't see the display. It's so flipping bright in here. Oh yeah. Right, so while that's working, I've got to drain the main water tank off because it's been quite cool, and I don't want to risk it freezing. And we've got the next adventure. We're not stopping. We're not wild camping. Start again. The next adventure, we're on a campsite, so I don't need to carry the water when I'm driving. Just enough for coffee in a separate container. So under the back end of the motorhome is the drain tap. So let's drain the water off. See if the diesel heater's doing anything. Can't really hear anything. Let's go around the back of the van and then round to the front. Oh yeah, I can hear something. While I'm waiting for that to kick in, I'll talk about the mouse repellent. We've got two of these electronic devices, and we thought there was a mouse trying to build a nest in the van, and it wasn't, it was a bird. And so we bought these just in case. And the mouse repellents, and there's one under the bonnet and there's one here, and the idea is it makes a noise and they don't like it. What's happening now? I know why it's not off, I can't see the display. With the diesel heater, don't know what's going on. Well, it is working, the diesel heater, you can hear it. What it was, I switched it on I didn't realise I switched it on, and I pressed a button and it switched it off again. And the battery is a bit low as well, and I've just run the engine for a short while and the heater's working, and I am going to switch it off now. It's so difficult to see the display. Right, here we go then. 1, 2, 3, off. Right, that's it, switching off.